Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare black grape smoothie. So let's get started. Here I have some fresh seedless black grapes and I will be using this to make the smoothie. In a big container, I am taking water and will separate the grapes. We need to wash them really well to make sure that this white layer that is there on top of it is removed completely. You can also use baking soda solution to clean these grapes. I am rubbing this nicely with the help of my hands and we need to wash them really well. Wash them for about 3 to 4 times or until you get clean water. After that, drain out the excess water. Here I have the washed grapes. Now I will take my blender and will transfer this in the blender, adding the required quantity of water. I am preparing this for 2 of us. You can add grapes and water based on the number of people you want to serve. Now we need to blend everything well. I really like the color of black grape smoothie. These grapes were already sweet, so I did not add any sweetener, but if you prefer, you can add 2-3 dates or maybe jaggery in order to enhance the sweetness. Now it's all ready. I will pour this in 2 mugs. It also forms a lot of foam, so just adding it from the top. And we are done with our fresh black grape smoothie. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.